In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a folder into a folder in Dropbox. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type Dropbox so you can quickly find the official website. This is an easy option if you do not already have Dropbox saved in your bookmarks, and it helps you get to the right place without wasting time. When the search results appear, click on Dropbox.com. Be sure you are choosing the official Dropbox website so you can safely access your folders and files. Once the site opens, sign in if needed, then wait for your Dropbox homepage to load fully before moving on. Giving it a moment to finish loading can help everything appear correctly. From your Dropbox homepage, find the folder where you want to place the new folder you are about to upload. This part matters because uploading directly into the correct destination keeps your Dropbox organized and saves you from having to move things around later. When you find the right folder, click on it to open it. After you're inside that destination folder, look for the Upload button. This is the tool Dropbox uses to add content from your computer into your cloud storage. Click on Upload to see the available upload options. When the menu appears, choose Folder. This tells Dropbox that you want to upload an entire folder rather than a single file or several files one by one. After you click Folder, a file browser window will open on your computer so you can choose what you want to upload. Now select the folder you want to upload. Take a moment here to make sure it is the correct folder, especially if you have several folders with similar names or versions. Once you have selected it, click Upload. In some cases, Dropbox may show another confirmation prompt. If that happens, simply click Upload again to continue the process. At this point, Dropbox will start uploading the folder into the Dropbox folder you opened earlier. The amount of time this takes depends on the size of the folder and the speed of your internet connection. Smaller folders may upload very quickly, while larger ones can take a few minutes. It is a good idea to keep the browser tab open until the upload is complete so the process is not interrupted. And that's it. Once the upload finishes, your folder should appear inside the Dropbox folder you selected. If you do not see it immediately, give the page a few moments to refresh. This is a simple and effective way to keep your Dropbox organized by placing folders exactly where you want them.